The seasons are caused by the tilt of Earth's axis as it revolves around the sun.
In this area, it's summer because its sunlight is directly hitting that part of the Earth, which makes it hotter for the people that live there because most of the sunlight is concentrated on them, and the sun is in the sky for longer. On the other half of Earth, it's winter because the sun isn't hitting that half of Earth as directly, and the sun is in the sky for shorter. And this shows the sun's path. The seasons are caused as the Earth, tilted on its axis, completes a revolution around the sun each year. Summer happens in the hemisphere tilted towards the sun, and winter happens in the hemisphere tilted away from the sun. As the Earth travels around the sun, the hemisphere that's tilted towards or away from the sun changes. The further away from the equator you are, the colder summer and winter temperatures become. At the equator, there are no seasons because each day the sun hits about the same angle. The poles remain cool because they are never tilted in a direct path of sunlight. During winter, when a pole is tilted away from the sun, there is no daylight at all. The sun never rises. However, during summer, a pole receives sunlight all the time, and there is no night.
The equinoxes or solstices are not really part of any season in particular. They just start off the seasons. For example, the summer solstice starts off the season summer, and it's the longest day of the year for the northern hemisphere. The equinoxes in March and September start off fall or spring, and the equinoxes are when day and night are at the same length. The winter solstice starts off winter, and it's the shortest day of the year for the northern hemisphere. Here are our citations. They say blah 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 blah. Our textbook.